If you are building AI agents, watch this first. Today, we are comparing AutoGen and Crew AI. Both tools help you build AI agents that can work together. They allow multiple AI systems to collaborate and complete tasks. Let's start with AutoGen. AutoGen is developed by Microsoft. It focuses on multi agent conversations and automation. You can create agents that talk to each other and solve problems step by step. Now, Crew AI. Crew AI is more focused on structured teamwork between agents. It lets you assign roles like manager, researcher, or writer. It feels more organized and easier to control. Here's the main difference. Autogen is more flexible and experimental. Crew AI is more structured and easier to manage. Looking at features, Autogen offers dynamic agent interactions and deep customization. Crew AI offers role based agents, task management, and clearer workflows. In terms of ease of use, Autogen can be complex and requires more setup. Crew AI is simpler and more beginner friendly. Now, use cases. Autogen is better for advanced multi agent systems. Crew AI is better for structured workflows and teams. Now, pricing. Both are open source frameworks. Cost depend on the AI models you use. So, AutoGen is better for flexibility and experimentation. Crew AI is better for structured and easy to manage workflows. So, which one should you choose? Choose AutoGen if you want full control and complex agent systems. Choose Crew AI if you want simple and organized AI workflows. Both are powerful, it depends on your use case. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.